Hello guys and hi there, this is Chen here from quickpreview.in and let me show you the app Scooply. So I hope everything is going good or little bit bad inside your life cause both of them are part of our life. So let me show you the app Scooply. If you are okay with writing and if you are okay with blogging, online writing stuffs and you want to earn money, then this app is made for you. So let me show you the members area of Scooply. This is the members area and with this app you can just grab another website's blogs and you can make them as if it is your own written, as if the content spinning is happening. The blog will be written in the same way, the meaning will be in the same way, but it is totally messed up or it is totally being changed by this app. Okay, let me show you how you can do that. This was the dashboard, and after that you need to integrate your websites like WordPress, like Blogger and Tumblr. You can integrate three of the websites. Those are here: the WordPress website, the Blogger website and the Tumblr. Okay, next thing is finding stuffs. You can find from ABC News, from ANSA, from BBC Sports, from Bloomberg, from BuzzFeed, anything you want. Let me choose BuzzFeed here, and dog is previously searched. So let me just search here about shops. Okay, so COVID is happening now. Let me search for shops. Okay, so recently this blog post has been launched by BuzzFeed, that is totally about shop, and you can see here while I am searching anything, it is giving me the result instantly. Okay, if I just search here games, let me put here games. If I just search here, sorry, let me just choose the BuzzFeed again and let me search games again. Okay, so when I'm searching this, it is giving me totally instantly. And if you are thinking that game is not written in the title, but let me show you the post from BuzzFeed. The game is written inside this stuff. Okay, that is why it is showing me the game stuff, or the post is dedicatedly given to game. Okay, that is why the keyword game is showing me this post. Maybe the game is not written in the title, but it is written inside the article or inside this place, the subtitle. So that is why it is showing me inside BuzzFeed. The shop is written here, so the post has been captured. Now what you can do, you can click on this button to share it inside your content. You can spin the content, the title, the stuffs, everything, and after doing everything you can click on post. And let me show you the visitor value or the earnings of the websites from the sales page of this tool. If you click on the buttons given on this page, you will be sent to this sales page, and from this sales page let me show you the stuffs are going on the websites. Okay, the earning, the traffic. So you can see here Yahoo News is getting 175 million visitors monthly and more than 150 million visitors. Google News and so on and so forth is here. So you can capture all of the news platforms and you can earn money very easily. You can get the pie of 1% or little bit single pie, and you can earn a huge money by just sending the blog posts and doing nothing, just investing some of your seconds from your life. Like you can instantly post the blog post and you will be after editing, obviously you need to do some editing, and you will be just getting money through the web searches and through anything like from Google searches, from Yahoo searches. Okay, so next thing is the post. Once you have just published your post, those will be appearing here, and after that the ad installer is also given here. If you want to earn more money, you can just put the ad installer and you can show the ads and you can earn from affiliate marketing. Promote, automation and integrations are also given to capture email. You can use the email integration, the automation like the post automation. I am not sure if it is automation is available inside front end. Okay, so it is available inside front end, so that is a bonus thing. That is automation, post automation is also available for this front end. So you can use the source and you can select the source and keyword and post per day, so that will be automatically added up inside your website from the source. Okay, so after that the promote, I want to show you the promote also. So inside promote, you can promote websites and you can earn money like affiliate earning. And this is the training section. So inside training section there is nothing to say about it. So this tool only costs 17 bucks, and from blogging and from earning purpose, this is a very cheap tool, and 365 days no satisfaction money back guarantee is available with this tool. So inside the front end you will be given 29 bonuses, and inside mega bonus, if you have to go through the front end, there is also an order bump, and you have to go through the front end to get the mega bonus. Inside mega bonus you will be given 400 plus steps. So these bonuses now you are watching on the screen, these 29 plus bonuses will be given on the front end, and inside upsell bonus the mega bonus is given, and there are some vendor bonus. These are the vendor bonus, and if you click on the buttons inside this page you will be sent to the sales page. So get the tool. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.